Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I got me these MagSafe stickers. Kind of need these because I got a bunch of cases that doesn't have any kind of like MagSafe back there, and so if I were to use it on, whoops, don't pull that. If I were to use it on like a MagSafe charger like this, so this is a MagSafe charger right here. If I were to do it on there, it just kind of falls off. It doesn't stick. You see that? Because the case is so thick that a lot of time it will not work. And so a lot of us really like MagSafe, but we really like the case as well. And so it comes down to like, okay, do I want, a not so great looking case with MagSafe, or do I want great looking case without MagSafe? And so then it doesn't work with any of the accessory that you have. So that's where this comes in. It actually solves a lot of problem. So I have one installed right here on this case that did not come with the MagSafe. So yeah, so this thing is installed right now for my iPhone 13 Pro. So far, so good. I mean, it's pretty strong. You see right there, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and install it on this one for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. All right. So it comes like in two layers. One side have a sticker and the other side doesn't. Okay. So just an FYI, if you're thinking about like using it on a wireless charging base like this one right here, where it doesn't have MagSafe, and you think that you can just stick a sticker on there, and then now this space is now a MagSafe. It doesn't work that way because magnet is just one side. What that means is that if I were to, let's say, stick this on here this way, right, and then use this MagSafe case and think that it's going to just work like that and it will stick, it won't stick. The reason why is that if you look right here, let me see if I can illustrate that on here. If you look right here, you see how the MagSafe on the case, it's off. You see that black right there versus the white is because it doesn't align with the right side of the magnet. Now, if I were to turn it on this side, then it works because that's the positive and negative side. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but yeah, it's kind of like that. And so yeah, you can't just stick it on here and expect that this to kind of just stick on there in that way. It doesn't work because the I believe it's like a negative and a negative side, and it just rejects each other. Anyway, so yeah, turning wireless charging base to MagSafe, that won't work at all. I've already tried that. And so this right here, my main use case is just for cases that doesn't have MagSafe. All right. So anyway, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and install this one right here. So this one right here comes with a bunch of holes and everything. As you pay attention to this hole right here, so you see how that hole right there is aligned with the hole at the bottom there. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to that, okay? Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this over here, and I'm gonna use like a pencil of some sort to mark where the holes are. Okay, so I got me a pencil, and this is the only way that I know how to do it. If you guys have any other way, just come up with your own ways of doing things. So right here, I'm just gonna mark that little pencil right there. Hopefully the pencil will come through. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to remove the blue sticker down there. I'm just gonna eyeball this now. It seemed like that's the place that it wants to stick to right there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this top layer. There we go. So now we got ourselves a MagSafe case on a case that I really like, by the way. This is a nice case, cool case. It just doesn't have MagSafe. That's the only disappointment for me. But yeah, there we go. So MagSafe on there. Now, well, let me go ahead and push it in to make sure that it stays on there. The sticker is not going anywhere at all. Boom, right there. Let's see if it charges. Hopefully it's exactly where I need it to be so that it charge. Okay, so the base, yep, it is charging because this thing is blue right here. So it's telling, and obviously the phone is turning on. So it's saying that it's, yep, it's charging, it's good. So yeah, it's fairly simple. Fairly simple. It's just that the pencil won't work with the marking. If it works, it's even better if it worked. So yeah, anyway, these things comes with 3 of these, and you can stick it whatever you want. Just know that you won't be able to stick it on, you know, these wireless charging pads or anything like that. It really are only made to work on cases. That's it. So this is the similar case that has a MagSafe, and look at this. Let's see if I did it correctly. It's pretty good on there. I mean, yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, very nice. Let me see. All right, so testing to see how strong the magnet is. Yeah, this thing right here is a lot stronger because the magnet is like right on the case. This one right here is kind of integrated inside the case, and so it's not as strong, but it's still pretty good. But you can definitely tell this one right here is definitely a lot stronger than the one that I just put on. Yeah, so anyway, there you have it. That's the MagSafe sticker right there. Pretty cool little products that I'm probably gonna find other use cases for it as well. So that's it for me. I'm out of here.